Welcome back to Primetime News and a special welcome once again to our viewers on onespotmedia.com. Up first, this evening, the police are keeping a close watch on sections of Papine and surrounding areas as they attempt to prevent reprisal attacks after Christopher Linton, also known as Dog Paw, was shot and injured. Kirk Wright has the details.
Police investigators are working to determine the circumstances which led to the gun attack and wounding of Christopher Linton, otherwise called Dog Paw. Linton was taken to hospital for a gunshot wound he sustained. According to the police reports, Linton said he was on Florence Way, St. Andrew around 8:20 Saturday evening having drinks with friends when he heard loud explosions and ran off. Linton said he later discovered that he was shot and was assisted to the hospital. Information is that Linton received a single gunshot wound to the left shoulder. Head of the Jamaica Constabulary Forces Corporate Communications Unit, Senior Superintendent Stephen Lindsay, says investigators are still probing the case.
The police are able to confirm that Christopher Linton, otherwise called Dog Paw, was shot and injured last night and received treatment at hospital and was released. And location was pointed out as one where the incident happened. The police did some processing. Having done that, there are some gaps. So in order for it to be clear as to what transpired, arrangement was made with Christopher Linton to attend the halfway tree police and to give a statement accounting for what happened. So I guess as soon as they have a discussion with him, he will give a clearer understanding of what transpired.
The police are keeping a close watch on sections of Papine to try and prevent possible reprisals following the gun attack. Dog Paw gained notoriety when he became Jamaica's most wanted between 2010 and 2011 before he was arrested. He was convicted along with a co-accused in 2013 for shooting with intent and illegal possession of firearm. Prosecutors at the time argued that the men shot the police in April in 2010 in St. Andrew. Dog Paw and his co-accused were then sentenced to 15 years in prison for illegal possession of a firearm and 15 years for shooting with intent. However, Dog Paw was freed in April this year when his 2013 conviction was overturned in the Court of Appeal. Kirk Wright, TVJ News.